Hey guys, so welcome to another beautiful, interesting video, which we will take a look at three microphones. The point of this video is to see whether it is the microphone strictly that decides the quality of the sound, or it could be tweaked with software. Right here I have a thrift store Glory. That's a guitar here. I guess it was used for PlayStations. I bought it for $2. I don't know how much they go online. Probably 10 or less. In the middle, I have Elgato Wave 3, which is 120, $130. And a blue snow ice, whatever they call that, ice ball. The blue snowball ice, as you see here on top of it. All these three microphones are different price ranges. This one was around $30, and yes, I bought it used because it was at the time that this was the hype. if you remember, this used to be the hype, especially for YouTubers and streamers and whatnot. It has done me well, and I cannot say that actually this is a bad microphone by any means. It's a really good microphone. The only reason I went to this one is because I needed something to come from my overhead. And when it came to the overhead microphone, this one was a little bit too heavy and too bulky to place. This one, meanwhile, I could just unscrew these two screws on the sides. And as you see, yes, I'm talking from this microphone. Now, let me give you a quick taste for your ears on these other two microphones. And yes, we are recording this video from OBS Studio since it's free and open for all, so we don't need to get tangled in webs with subscriptions and payments and all that. So you can test it yourself. Let's go here, go from Elgato Wave 3 to, let's go with Logitech or Logitech, however you want to call it. It's this tiny one right here. Right now I'm talking to this microphone. As you see, that's just to show you that this is the microphone I'm talking from, and the audio quality is not that bad. Now let's switch to the blue microphone really quick. Let's go here, properties. From here we go to blue snowball. Click OK, and now I'm talking into the blue snowball. Let me do the tap test so you know I'm talking only from this one. As you see, yes, Blue Snowball is active. And right now, we are just looking at them. Let me switch to Wave again before we go ahead and do some tests. And so you can see physically how they look. Right now, I'm talking from the Wave microphone. As you see, yes. So, Blue Ice, Snowball Ice doesn't really have a lot to go on or to talk about. The other version of this one had a small button here for cardioid or something else, if I'm not wrong. It had it on the back. It was a really good microphone. That's the front of it, has a regular USB, and pretty much that's all. Guitar Hero, on the other hand, is Guitar Hero microphone that every thrift store has it as a dessert. After you buy everything, you go buy one of these for $2 and just to have it around. There's nothing wrong with them. And yes, this is the Guitar Hero. Now, let's do the sound testing. And we will test from this distance first, and then we will test them near the speaker. And then we will tweak the audio on the software and see if that makes a difference. And let's go. First of all, since we're connected on Elgato already, let's do a 1, 2, 3 microphone check. 1, 2, 3 microphone check. This is Elgato Wave 3. 1, 2, 3 microphone check. 1, 2, 3 microphone check. This is a Blue Snowball Ice. 1, 2, 3 microphone check. 1, 2, 3 microphone check. This is the Logitech microphone, the Guitar Hero or PlayStation microphone called otherwise. 1, 2, 3 microphone check. And this was the test from distance. Now I'm talking from the Elgato Wave 3, and I will test and speak to this microphone from closer and see whether if that makes a difference. 1, 2, 3, microphone check. 1, 2, 3, microphone check. Elgato Wave 3 from close proximity. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, microphone check. This is the Logitech Guitar Hero or PlayStation microphone from close proximity. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, microphone check. This is the Blue Snowball or the Snowball Ice microphone from close proximity. And after we tested all three, now let's go into the software side of the things and tweak these volumes and these voices and see how those tests come out. And now let's do some software changes to these recorded clips, only using the video editor itself. I'm not gonna go with Adobe or anything else. And the first, we have the three clips here. First microphone, second, and third. So, let me take the audio from all three of them out. Detach audio, and detach audio here. Now let's copy all these three audio clips. Take them here, and put them here on the side. As we see right now. Let me just play one for test, so we can see how that sounds just a little bit, so we know which microphones are right now. 1, 2, 3, microphone check. Elgato Wave 3, and as you see, that was Elgato Wave 3. So now, let's do something else with Elgato Wave 3. We'll double click here, we'll go to audio, and we'll convert it to techno when it comes to equalizer. And we're not going to do normalization or anything else, because this one is quite high level already here. 6.8 decibels, that's quite high. And let's hit OK and see if that changes really quick. 1, 2, 3, microphone check. 1, 2, 3, microphone check. Elgato Wave 3 from close proximity. As you saw, the voice depth changed drastically. It became almost like those voices you hear on radios and whatnot. And now let's go to the second one. Let's just play quick how it sounds raw. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, microphone check. It sounds really bad if you ask me. That's the Logitech, the $2 microphone. And let's see if we can change this one a little bit. Okay, let's do an increase just a little bit here. 8 is quite high, but I'm just testing here. Let's put techno the same as the other one. And let's hit OK and see if the quality of that sound changed any bit. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, microphone check. This is the Logitech Guitar Hero or PlayStation microphone from close proximity. As you see, yes, it might have changed a little bit, but not really that much, because that microphone is probably overused and abused for years. But if you notice, the tone of my voice changed a little bit. And now, as the third one, let's go to the Snowball microphone, and let's play just a few seconds raw. Then we'll try to change it with software and see if anything changes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, microphone check. This is the Blue Snowball or the Snowball Ice microphone. And as you saw, that doesn't sound that bad by itself on raw mode. And now let's go, only apply the techno equalizer. And as you see, it's 6.8. And let's play it and see what changed here. If it became like a podcaster's microphone. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, microphone check. This is the Blue Snowball or the Snowball Ice microphone. So, what I would think on the Snowball, even though a lot of you might consider it very cheap, it is actually quite a good microphone if you put some kind of pop filter in front of it, so it doesn't have that pop the whole time. This microphone, I think, rocks. If you don't get, just over $100 laying around for a Wave 3, or even thousands sometimes when you go to Shure and Sennheiser and, the big boys. In my opinion, except for the $2 microphone, the Snowball and Wave 3 go really close to each other, even though the price right now is really far from each other. Because the blue costs around, I think you can find them from 15 to 20 bucks, versus Elgato Wave 3 is still over $100. And I hope you learned something from this video, and it was a lot of fun to make this video for me, and we'll see you next time. Thank you for watching, and hit that subscribe and like button. Bye!